Welcome back to the Info Hub. Before we start today's video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. In this video, we guess the animal name with the help of emoji. Guess the first one. It's jellyfish. Guess this. This one is seahorse. Number 3, guess this one. Monkey. Guess it. Swan. Question number 5. Catfish. What do you think about this? Yes, this one is blue whale. 7. You are right, it's butterfly. Any idea about this? Dolphin. Number 9. It's goldfish. Think about this. Deer. Guess this animal name. Yes, it's an elephant. What is the name of this? Tiger. Think about this. Donkey. Guess it. Bat. Question number 16. Rhino. This animal name. Panda. Don't tell me you don't know about this one. Yes, it's wolf. Any idea about this? Seal. Don't forget like the video and subscribe for channel. Earthworm. Guess this one. Peacock. Question number 22. Snail. Guess it. bulldog. Any idea about this? Hamster. Guess this animal. Sheepdog. Question number 26. It's bear. Name of this. Squirrel. Guess the animal. Kangaroo. Number 29. Eagle. Guess the last one. It's swordfish. Don't forget like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.